In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how a select few people are using a sneaky little method with no competition to generate over $1,000 per day passively using ChatGPT. No, you don't need any experience or money to get started. Artificial intelligence will be doing a lot of the work. Imagine typing in a few sentences to ChatGPT and boom, you generate $300. Now imagine typing in a few more sentences and boom, $3,000 earned passively. This is a step-by-step method for using ChatGPT to earn $1,000 per day. Let's talk about ChatGPT first. ChatGPT is an advanced language model developed by OpenAI. It is based on the GPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer, architecture, specifically GPT 3.5. GPT 3.5 is the third iteration of the GPT series and incorporates significant improvements over its predecessors. ChatGPT is designed to generate human-like text responses given a prompt or a conversation context. It has been trained on a massive amount of diverse text data from the internet, allowing it to understand and generate text in a wide range of topics and styles. The model has been fine-tuned specifically for conversational interactions, making it well-suited for chatbots, virtual assistants, and other interactive applications. Let's get started. If we look at this Etsy shop over here, we can see that it has 43,521 sales. If you multiply this number based on the average price of their planners, which is $250, you get a total of over $90,000 in sales generated. And I'll show you how ChatGPT can get these numbers for you. What we're going to do is go over here and type in habit tracker on Etsy. Now this is a very popular product on Etsy. It's a very niche product, but a lot of people are downloading and buying these habit trackers because they want to make sure that they are being productive and bettering themselves. People are using these to track their fitness, food and health and are willing to pay around $5. Now we are going to simply click Get Started to open up our store. All you need is a Gmail account. Once your store is open, all you need to do is give it a name. After that, we are simply going to hop on over to ChatGPT, an artificial intelligence program that will essentially create the habit tracker for us. The first thing we are going to do is visit openai.com, scroll down, and as you can see, there I have asked it to make a habit tracking spreadsheet based on these 5 factors, and it immediately produced a nice spreadsheet for me to use. Now what I want to do is to ask it another question and request that it divide this up into different days. Because I saw that right here on the progress, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday are all combined into a single bar, we're going to ask it to divide them into different days. Then, bang, I requested it to split the days into separate columns. OpenAI can literally generate these things for you if you know the right questions to ask, but I already came up with those questions so that you can create this habit tracker on your own very easily. You are more than welcome to return here and ask it to generate some new habit trackers, but what I'm going to do is take this right here and run with it. This is something we can sell on Etsy. We just need to put it together, so what we're going to do now is switch to another piece of software. I'm going to head over to canva.com so that they can actually put this spreadsheet together for us and make it look great. We generated everything for free using OpenAI ChatGPT, and then Canva will help us to create the tracker visually. It's a Photoshop program, so all I had to do was search habit tracker up here at the top, and then boom, it has multiple templates that are absolutely free to use to start basically generating the habit tracker that we can then go ahead and sell for money on Etsy. You really only need a place where you can record your habits in order to begin tracking them, so I'm going to choose this one and, as you can see, I've popped it up there. We can now enter our habits within the specific columns here by pressing text, and then we can add a subheading. We'll just do the smallest one right here, but you could change the size or add it here right there. The cool thing about Etsy is that they will generate the traffic for you. All people have to do is type in habit tracker and your store will pop up at the top. You can go ahead and press share and then download, and once you have downloaded this, all you're going to do is then upload it to your Etsy shop, name the price of your habit trackers, and then you can start getting sales. Thanks for tuning into this wild trick of earning money, and be sure to stay tuned for more exciting content from us in the future.